Namaste everyone, this is me Prabesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about a motorcycle. Yes, आज हामीले यो नयाँ भिडियोमा मोटरसाइकलको बारेमा बुझ्ने छौँ. How it works. आज हामीले चाहिँ मोटरसाइकल कसरी चल्छ, यसले कसरी काम गर्दछ भन्ने बारेमा हामीले बुझ्ने छौँ. त्यसैले भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म हेर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. You may ride a motorcycle every day, but do you really know how it works? हजुरहरूले मोटरसाइकललाई दिनदिनै चलाइरहनुहुन्छ होला, दैनिक रूपमा मोटरसाइकल युज गरिरहनुहुन्छ होला, तर के साँच्चै थाहा छ यसले हामीले कसरी सहज गराउँछ, यो कसरी चल्छ ताकि हामी चाहिँ एक ठाउँबाट अर्को ठाउँमा जान सजिलैसँग जान सकौँ. त्यसैले भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म हेर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. अनि इन्जिनको बारेमा पनि हामीले बुझ्नेछौँ. क्लच, एक्सेलेरेटर अनि गियर, यो तीनवटा चिजको चाहिँ मिक्सचरबाट कसरी बाइक चल्दछ भन्ने कुरामा पनि हामी बुझ्नेछौँ. आइएम गोना डिस्प्ले अ भिडियो अबाउट दिस. भिडियो चाहिँ प्रस्तुत गर्न जाँदैछु, हजुरहरूले अन्तिमसम्म हेरिदिनु होला. बिफोर आई डिस्प्ले अ भिडियो, लेट्स टक अबाउट इन्जिन भनेको चाहिँ के हो? द हार्ट अफ द मोटरसाइकल. इन्जिन भनेको चाहिँ मोटरसाइकलको मुटु हो, एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण चिज. अनि हामीले इन्जिनको बारेमा पनि बुझौँ. हजुरहरूले यो पिक्चरमा देख्न सक्नुहुनेछ कि यहाँ दुई किसिमका इन्जिनहरू रहेका छन्. एउटामा छ दुईटा स्ट्रोक इन्जिन र अर्कोमा चाहिँ चारवटा स्ट्रोक इन्जिन, 2 स्ट्रोक इन्जिन एन्ड 4 स्ट्रोक इन्जिन. विशेष गरी अधिकांश मोटरसाइकलमा चाहिँ 4 स्ट्रोक इन्जिन रहने गर्दछ. त्यसमा रहेको छ सुरुमा इन्टेक, सेकेन्डमा कम्प्रेसन, थर्डमा पावर अनि फोर्थमा एक्जस्ट. सुरुमा इन्टेकले चाहिँ सास तान्ने काम गर्दछ, पेट्रोल प्लस हावा सिलिन्डरभित्र पस्दछ. सेकेन्डमा रहेको छ कम्प्रेसन, जसले थिच्ने काम गर्दछ, पिस्टनले मिश्रण थिच्दछ. अनि थर्डमा रहेको छ पावर, जसले चाहिँ आगो लाग्ने काम गर्दछ. स्पार्क प्लगले आगो लगाउँछ, विस्फोट हुन्छ र पिस्टन तल धकेलिन्छ. अनि फोर्थ नम्बरमा रहेको छ एक्जस्ट, जसले चाहिँ धुवा बाहिर निस्काल्छ. यही प्रक्रियाबाट चाहिँ शक्ति पैदा हुन्छ. र यसै गरी हामी थुप्रै अरू कुराहरूको बारेमा पनि हामी बुझ्नेछौँ.
Ever wondered what makes a motorcycle roar to life? In the next minute, we'll dive into the heart of the machine, the 4-stroke engine. It all starts with the intake stroke. The piston moves down, and the intake valve opens, sucking a mix of fuel and air into the cylinder. Next, the compression stroke. The piston moves back up, squeezing that fuel-air mixture, getting it ready for ignition. Then comes the magic, the power stroke. A spark plug ignites the mixture, creating a small explosion that forces the piston down, turning the crankshaft and powering the wheel. Finally, the exhaust stroke. The piston rises again, pushing the used gases out through the exhaust valve. This 4-stroke cycle happens thousands of times a minute, creating the power that drives you forward. And that's the basic magic behind your motorcycle's engine.
Welcome to our detailed explainer on how a motorcycle works, breaking down its major systems for both beginners and enthusiasts. From the roar of the engine to the precision of its handling, motorcycles are marvels of engineering. At the core of every motorcycle is its engine, typically an internal combustion engine, converting fuel into mechanical energy. This process involves pistons moving within cylinders, driven by controlled explosions of fuel and air. The fuel system delivers gasoline from the tank to the engine, often through carburetors or electronic fuel injection. The clutch acts as a crucial link, allowing the rider to smoothly engage or disengage power from the engine to the transmission. This mechanism is essential for changing gears and coming to a stop without stalling the engine. The gearbox, or transmission, contains a series of gears that allow the engine's power to be matched to the motorcycle's speed and load. Riders select different gears to optimize acceleration or maintain speed efficiently. Power is then transferred to the rear wheel via a chain, belt, or shaft drive system. Each system has its own advantages in terms of maintenance, weight, and power delivery. The brake system is paramount for safety, using hydraulic pressure to slow or stop the wheels. Modern motorcycles often feature advanced ABS technology for enhanced control during braking. The suspension system, comprising forks at the front and a shock absorber at the rear, ensures a smooth ride and maintains tire contact with the road. This system absorbs bumps and provides stability, crucial for both comfort and handling. The cooling system, whether air or liquid-cooled, regulates engine temperature to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Proper temperature management is vital for the longevity and efficiency of the engine. Finally, the accelerator, or throttle, controls the amount of air and fuel entering the engine, directly impacting speed. It's the rider's direct interface with the engine's power. Understanding these interconnected systems reveals the incredible engineering behind every motorcycle. We hope this detailed overview has given you a clearer appreciation for these magnificent machines.